2018 Aston Martin Vantage. It's the first new generation Aston Martin Vantage since its predecessor was released in 2005, and uses an evolution of the latest bonded-aluminium architecture from the DB11. That said, 70% of the car's components are bespoke to the Vantage, which has a dry weight of 1,530 kilograms. The design blends elements of both the DB10 James Bond car, from the movie Spectre, and the hardcore Vulcan, Aston's track-only hypercar. The shark nose grille is matched by shark gills down the side that replace the trademark side-strakes of the previous model. It uses a Mercedes-AMG 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, front mid-mounted, making 375 kilowatts at 6,000 revolutions per minute and 685 Newton-meters between 2,000 to 5,000 revolutions per minute. It's rear-wheel drive, with rear-mounted 8-speed ZF automatic transmission, and can go from 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.7 seconds, with a top speed of 314 km per hour. There are 3 dynamic drive modes: Sport, Sport Plus and Track, each of which are integrated with the powertrain, transmission, suspension and steering systems. There's also torque vectoring, and for the first time on an Aston Martin, an electronic rear differential, which can go from fully open to 100% lock in mere milliseconds. At 4,465 mm, the new Vantage is 284 mm shorter than the DB11, and 34 mm shorter than a Porsche 911. It's also got a solid-mounted subframe, which the company claims adds a direct connection between car and driver. It also claims a perfect 50 hours 50 minutes weight distribution. The brakes are 2-piece, ventilated 400mm steel rotors up front with 6 piston calipers, and 360mm down back with 4 piston calipers, behind standard 20-inch forged alloy wheels shod with Pirelli P0 tires, 255/40 at the front, and 295/35 down back, specifically developed for the Vantage. Suspension is front independent double wishbone, while the rear is a multi-link unit. It's an adaptive damping system with Skyhook technology and the same 3 driving modes: Sport, Sport Plus, and Track. The steering system is electrically power-assisted with a 13.09:1 steering ratio, with 2.4 turns from lock to lock. Like its predecessor, the new Vantage has a tailgate which opens onto a 350-liter boot space, as well as more room behind the 2 seats. Inside also boasts an entirely new cabin design, unique to the Vantage, but uses an infotainment screen and system from Mercedes-Benz. Standard specification includes titanium front grille, twin stainless steel exhaust tips, sports seats, leather, Alcantara trim, dual-zone climate control, keyless entry and start, tire pressure monitoring, electric seats with memory, front and rear parking sensors and rear view screen. Other kit includes satellite navigation, DAB digital radio, Aston Martin sound system and a centrally mounted 8-inch LCD screen. Pricing will start from $299,950 plus on-road costs, with Australian customer deliveries commencing June, July 2018.